Okay, now class 9 MBSE Mathematics exercise 9.4, which is on page number 138. Okay, let's read the question here first of all before we start our lesson. Zoe Remy went to market to purchase pencils and pen. So Zoe Remy, we don't know who she is. She might be someone who is at your locality or yourself. I don't know. So this is just the name given for the question. Zoe Remy went to market to purchase pencils and pen. That means that Zoe Remy had bazaar pencil le pen le tu ne kalatani pencil pakat le pen pakat got nilaw. The cost of one pencil is 2 rupees and the cost of one pen is 4 rupees. So pencil pakat man chu cheng ni ni a. Chuan pen pakat man chu cheng li ani. If she spent 50 rupees on 40 items tadi. Zoe Remy chuan a vai na poisa sian chu 50 rupees ani. Chuan athil lei song pen le pencil kha ichiar lenga som pali lo ta ni chu pen le pencil som pali a sang ni lawin abel khom som pali a lei kan cheng som nga a seng ani chuan how many pens and pencil she purchase ati pen le pencil chu engzat nge a lei chi song chu ro ati ta ni. Okay, so as we have finished reading the explaining the question, let's start to calculate the given word problems. Okay, so as we know that Zoe Remy went to market to buy pens and pencil and pen, sorry. So we will say let the number of pencils be pencil le sa chong chong kha x kan ti oh x number ni x oh chuan and the number of pens be y. Okay, chuan this is not here we are not talking about the money. This is the number of pencils and pen. No, pen and pencil number rupees som daw hi. Okay, so hi song tournament khani we need to find the number of pencil and pen. Okay, so first of all I will be doing this one first. Okay, if she spends 50 rupees on 14 items, the cost of one pencil is 2 and the cost of one pen is 4. Okay, here ti tu ni pencil kha cheng ni man ni, so cheng ni into a leizat we don't know that. Oh le cheng li in pen a leya pen a leizat cheng li multiply khan I multiply ngai ta ni. Okay, if we have to multiply this, okay, pencil man le a leizat a lei na man ho pencil zat le a lei na man I multiply khan engzat nge pencil b kai se na hriat do na 4 multiply y cheng li man ani a engzat nge le kan hrelawa chuan pen man chuk do na chu avaya a sen za kha som nga oh 50 oh chu tin kan ti le don tan hi helama ma wangin adik thei lawa kan rem lenga 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, but I will not put this as equation 1 as I can see here. As you can see here, all the numbers here are even number. That means that it can be divided by 2, the smallest number. 2 can divide all the 3. So make it simpler, okay, and it will be easier for you to calculate. 2 dividing all these things, all the equation by 2. 2 divide 2 is 1. 2 divide 4 is 2y. 2 divide 50 is 25. 2 divide 0 is 0. So see which one is simpler. This one is simpler. Okay, equation 1. And the second part is and see ang chu pencil le pen a leizat ka som pali kan ti to ko he cheng som nga ka som pali nei nan nga chuan x plus y is equal to 14. azat soina x le y got kha azat soina 2 tel khan aman 4 tel khan aman pum pu sen som nga so x plus y minus 14 is given as equation 2. I hope you understand this. It's very simple. You have to use your brain here. So looking at equation 1 and 2, I have x on both equation. Okay, that means that I can use subtracting because both have positive. If it is have positive and negative, we can use adding, but here it has both positive, so that means that I have to use subtracting by 2, subtracting not equation 1 from 2, equation 2 from 1 we get. Okay, so what will I have as the answer? This is subtraction, so I have to write down both the equation here, x plus sorry okay hati tikar po ngai lo. Okay, hati tikar po ngai lo intinan equal to 0 tikar ngai lo ta x plus 2y is equal to 25. X plus y equal to 14 hati kani kan rem mai ni. Okay, so I hope you understand that this is not required, as I have done cross multiplication in 4 task 10. I got mixed up a little bit. Okay, so please understand, it will not make any changes here. Okay, so the sign will change, minus then plus, then x and x can cancel each other. Here we will be having 2y minus y is y minus 25 plus 14 is 11 equal to 0. Okay, that means that the value of y is 11. Okay, so that means that she bought 11 10. Okay, now as I have the value of y here, substituting y equal to 11 in the simplest equation is equation 2. Okay, in equation 2 we get, so equation 2 is x plus y equal to 14. X plus y is equal to 14. That means that x is equal to 14 minus 11, which is 3. That means she bought 3 pencils. Therefore number of pencils equal to 3 and number of pens is equal to 11. Okay, so if you add this to 11 plus 3 is 14. Okay, so you bought 14 in total. That means that it is the correct answer. And if you want to check for the money, we have here 2x plus 4y is equal to 50. 2x plus 4y is equal to 50 rupees. Okay, 50 rupees. So 2 times 3 plus 4 times 11. Let's see whether this is equal to 50 or not. 3 2s are 6 plus 4 11s are 44. If we add these two, you will be getting 50. So we have the correct answer here. Okay, so look at and study carefully and try to do it by yourself. That's all for word problems question number 2.